We'll guide you through how to add an image in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Media pool in the Edit page. This is where you'll import your image. Click on the Import Media button, or simply drag and drop your image file from your computer into the Media pool. Now, you'll see your image listed among your media assets. Drag the image from the Media pool onto the timeline where you want it to appear. You can adjust the duration it stays on screen by dragging the edges of the image clip on the timeline. If you need to resize or position the image, select the clip on the timeline, then go to the Inspector panel. Here, you can adjust the size, position, and even add some rotation if needed by sliding the respective controls. If your image needs color correction or any effects, you can switch to the color page and make those adjustments there. It's important to note that the image needs to be in a format supported by DaVinci Resolve, like JPEG or PNG, for seamless integration. Once you're satisfied with the placement and adjustments, you can preview your work by pressing the spacebar to play the timeline. If everything looks good, you can proceed to export your project by going to the Deliver page, selecting your desired output settings, and clicking on Add to Render Queue followed by Start Render. This will finalize your video with the image included. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.